can use enhanced custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced to track anything you want, such as the sales rep, responsible for the sale, customer number, or the beginning and ending dates of work on a job. You can also set up these custom fields for customer, supplier records, as well as for transactions. As an example, we will go over setting up sales reps and then show you how to run a report to find the total sales for each sales rep. To get started, select Settings, then Custom Fields, and finally, Add Field. First, enter a label for the new field. Enter the name which you are trying to track. Then choose the kind of information it is. If you want to track something like sales rep, you could choose text and number, but you would need to type the sales rep's name every time you record a sale. So instead, you can set up a new drop-down list with the names of all your sales reps. If this is something you want to assign to your customers or suppliers that isn't already in QuickBooks, select Customer or Supplier. This ensures that you will see a new field when you create or edit a customer or supplier profile. Then, if you want the same information to appear on your transactions, you can choose which forms you want it to show up on. In this example, sales rep isn't assigned to a customer or a supplier. It only needs to appear on a transaction, specifically sales transactions like sales receipts or invoices. Select Print on Form if you want your customers or suppliers to see your custom field when you print or email a transaction. Save the custom field. This is where you track your custom fields and where they appear. A check mark means the custom field is available on that form, and a printer means that the field appears on the form when you print or email it. Now, record a transaction like you normally would, and then enter the new data in the enhanced custom field. After recording the information a few times on transactions, QuickBooks lets you filter information on reports or reorder your reports using the new data. Let's build a report that shows the sales for each sales rep. Start with a normal sales report, like a Sales by Customer Summary or Detail report. Right now, this report shows every line of every sales transaction in the report's date range, and everything is totaled by customer. But select the Group By drop-down menu, and you can organize the report using your custom Sales Rep field. Now the report shows the company's sales organized and totaled by sales rep. You can even save the customization if you want to run this report again later. Now you can set up custom fields to track anything that's important to your business.